So, you're 40 plus and wondering how to generate passive income. And AI sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, right? But what if I told you that AI is your new best friend in making money online, even if you've never done anything like this before? Stay tuned because I'm about to give you some highly actionable tips on how you can use AI tools to build a steady stream of passive income today. And just very quickly, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please hit the like button because that motivates me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. Let's get into this tutorial. Let's get started with tip number 1, which is to use AI to write and sell ebooks. AI writing tools like ChatGPT and Gemini can help you create ebooks quickly without needing to be a professional writer. You simply input your topic, outline your chapters, and let the AI generate content that you can edit and then polish. This approach is great for niches like self-help, cooking, or even tech guides for beginners. Once your ebook is ready, you can then publish it on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing and other platforms, or even on your own website. I recommend that you promote your ebook using social media such as Instagram and TikTok, or your website, and watch the sales start to come in. And the best part, it's a one-time effort that keeps paying you royalties over time. Imagine creating a beginner's guide to passive income at 40 plus, filled with your tips and experiences, and selling it for $9.99. Even with just a few sales a month, it's a passive income stream that requires minimal maintenance. Let's now move on to tip number 2, which is to create and sell AI generated art. AI tools like Midjourney and DALL-E can help you to generate unique art that you can sell as digital downloads, prints, or even on merchandise like t-shirts and mugs. You don't need to be an artist, you just need a creative idea and the right prompts to guide the AI. I recommend that you set up a shop on Etsy or upload your designs to a print-on-demand services like Redbubble. These platforms handle the printing, shipping, and customer service, allowing you to earn without lifting a finger after the initial setup. I recommend you think about generating a series of motivational posters with AI art and selling them as instant downloads for about $5 each. Every sale is pure profit after the initial creation, making this a fantastic passive income model. Let me now give you tip number 3, which is to launch a blog with AI generated content. Starting a blog might seem rather daunting, but AI content generators like Jasper can help you write high quality blog posts rather quickly. I recommend that you choose a niche that you're passionate about, and that's something that has a lot of demand like personal finance, lifestyle, or travel, and let the AI handle the heavy lifting of content creation. I then recommend you monetize your blog through affiliate marketing, display ads, or selling your own digital products like templates or online courses. The key is to create evergreen content that continuously attracts visitors from search engines like Google, bringing in consistent passive income. For instance, a blog titled Passive Income Over 40 could attract a specific audience looking for financial independence. By sharing AI-assisted tips and resources, you're not only helping others, but also generating income from ads and affiliate links. Let's now move on to tip number 4, which is to develop and sell AI-powered chatbots. Businesses are increasingly turning to chatbots to improve customer service and get more engagement. With AI platforms like ManyChat or ChatFuel, you can create and sell custom chatbots to businesses even if you have no coding experience. I recommend that you offer these chatbots as a service on freelance platforms like Fiverr.com or Upwork.com, or directly approach local businesses that need help with customer interaction. After the initial setup, most chatbots run with little to no maintenance, making it a great source of passive income. Imagine setting up a chatbot for a restaurant to handle reservations and FAQs. You charge a setup fee and maybe a small monthly maintenance fee, generating a passive stream while helping businesses streamline their operations. Let me now give you tip number 5, which is to use AI for automated social media management. AI tools like Buffer and Hootsuite now have features that leverage AI for content building, hashtag generation, and even engagement analytics. You can use these tools to manage social media accounts for small businesses or influencers, charging them a recurring fee. You don't have to be a social media guru. The AI does the heavy lifting by suggesting content, optimizing post times, and even helping with captions. This allows you to create a service that generates passive income through ongoing client subscriptions. For example, you could manage free local businesses' Instagram accounts for $100 each per month. This would include set up the content calendar once and let the AI handle the rest, and you've created a reliable monthly income stream. Let's now move on to tip number 6, which is to create an AI-driven YouTube channel. You don't need to be on camera to run a successful YouTube channel. You can use AI tools like Lumen 5 or Pictory to turn blog posts, news articles, or even AI-generated scripts into highly engaging videos. These platforms automatically create visuals, animations, and voiceovers based on the content. I recommend that you monetize your channel through YouTube ads, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. The key is consistency. I recommend that you upload regularly, and as your viewership grows, so does your income. Imagine running a channel like AI-powered side hustles, where you showcase how different AI tools can generate income. Once videos are up and gaining some traction, you can earn continuously from ad revenue without creating new content daily. Let me now give you tip number 7, which is to use AI for dropshipping store optimization. AI can analyze market trends and customer behavior, helping you decide which products to sell and how to price them effectively. I recommend that you use tools like Oberlo combined with Shopify and make setting up a dropshipping store easier than ever, even if you have zero experience in e-commerce. I recommend that you set up the store once and let the AI tools suggest winning products and optimize your pricing and ad strategies. From there, I recommend that you focus on marketing while the AI helps you with inventory and order management. For example, you could create a store that sells home gadgets targeted at older adults using AI tools to identify trending products. You don't need to handle the stock, the suppliers do that for you, turning this into a mostly hands-off income stream. Let's now move on to tip number 8, which is to create an AI-generated online course. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable are filled with online courses created by people just like you. AI tools like ChatGPT can help you outline, script, and even design course materials on topics that you're knowledgeable about, turning your skills into a sellable product. I recommend you package your course with videos, downloadable resources, and interactive quizzes. And once uploaded, I suggest you promote it on social media such as Instagram and TikTok, or even through your own website or blog. The great thing about online courses is they can generate income long after you've created them. Imagine developing a course on how to start a side hustle over 40 with AI assisting in the content creation. You can focus on delivering value and every enrollment adds to your passive income. Let me now give you tip number 9, which is to invest in AI-powered stock trading bots. If you're interested in investing but don't have the time to monitor markets, AI-powered trading bots like Algo Trader can help automate your trades. These bots analyze market trends and execute trades based on predefined strategies, allowing you to earn without being hands-on. I recommend that you start small with a reliable platform and learn the basics of bot trading and let the AI handle the rest. Although there's always risk in trading, a well-configured bot can optimize your investments for long-term growth. For example, setting up a trading bot that invests in low-risk stocks or ETFs could create a steady passive income stream requiring only occasional monitoring and adjustments. Let me now give you tip number 10, which is to use AI to build niche websites with affiliate marketing. AI tools like Surfer SEO and Jasper can help you create high-quality SEO-optimized niche websites very quickly. I recommend that you choose a niche with profitable affiliate programs such as health products, tech gadgets, or financial services, and use AI to generate content that ranks well on search engines like Google. Now, once your site begins to gain some traction, you can earn passive income through affiliate links, where you get a commission every time someone purchases through your referral link. It's a scalable model, and I recommend that you create more content to attract more visitors and boost your earnings over time. For example, a niche website focused on fitness gear for over 40 can include product reviews and comparison guides. As the website grows, so does your affiliate revenue, allowing you to earn consistently with little ongoing effort. Let's now move on to tip number 11, which is to offer AI-powered voiceover services. AI voiceover generators like Mirth or Descript can create professional voiceovers for videos, ads, and podcasts. Even if you're not a voice artist, you can offer voiceover services on freelance platforms or directly to content creators looking for high quality audio. After setting up your AI tool, most of the work is automated. You just need to tweak the output to match your client's needs. I recommend that you charge per project or offer a subscription packages, turning this into a recurring income source. Imagine creating voiceovers for YouTube creators who need quick professional audio but don't want to hire expensive voice actors. You simply set up the AI, deliver the files and collect payments, all with minimal hands-on work. And there you have it, 11 powerful ways to leverage AI tools for generating passive income online at 40 plus. Now, the next thing to do to accelerate your learning even further is click the link in the description box below this video right now and go through to my website www.digitalprofitsnetwork.com, and you can get instant access to our comprehensive online training courses and resources. These are fantastic resources and are perfect for beginners and people of all ability levels, and will guide you every step of the way to starting your own successful online business, and will also help you to generate an income online. So take action and check out that link right now below to learn more. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I can only help you if you are subscribed. And please give the video a thumbs up, because that really does energize me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I have put my LinkedIn link in the description below the video. It's always a pleasure to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel, and have a wonderful day.